There is a kind of technology which leads the era. There is a kind of innovation which impulses the history. There is a kind of quality which changes the world. Science and technology, innovation, quality. All First Corp, professional air compressor manufacturing and servicing attentively for more than 30 years. Be the top in China and global. As world-class air compressor brand, All First Corp was founded in 1979 in Taipei, Taiwan, specialized in developing, manufacturing and marketing DC permanent magnet motors, inflators, universal air compressors, induction air compressors, car polishers, car vacuum cleaner, etc. After 30 years of pioneering spirit, All First Corp becomes the air compressor industry benchmark for Asia-Pacific region progressively, leading the new evolution trend in this industry. The owned brand Valcano represents the top-ranking quality, excellent performance, and famous in the industry and abroad. Well-known strategic partners and distinguished reputation. In 1995, All First Corp grasped the opportunity to march strongly into China mainland market, set up a research and development center and production base in prosperous manufacturing areas of Guangdong Province, Dongguan City, Pearl River Delta region, owning more than 1,000 employees and rapidly developed into the most important professional quality manufacturer of oil-free mini compressors in the world. Through the all-round corporate brand and image, All First Corp has achieved the leadership position in the industry and in the forefront of production, and so after 34 years of remarkable journey. Besides, All First Corp has successfully established long-term friendly strategic partnership with well-known enterprises locally and abroad, and work together to explore pinnacle of the air compressor field. Be popular worldwide and stand on the peak. Innovation is the soul of All First Corp. All First Corp keeps the product active continuously and has launched sequentially oil-less air compressors, tire inflators, car polishers, vacuum cleaner, and other product series that are widely applied in automobile industry, air suspension system, air horn, pneumatic door, pneumatic chair, clutch, medical apparatus, and other practical spheres. 6809 T800 is All First Corp's flagship product, superpower, heavy-duty, and low-noise tire inflator, considering the top configuration star product. Only needs 1 minute to inflate a standard tire. Worldwide revolutionary innovation. Global patented blow-rate tire inflator with own developed linear pressure gauge. This gauge is with blue backlight, more accurate in reading, overpressure protection, anti-drop, multifunctional 3-in-1 air down gauge, has both inflation and deflation function, can use for intermittent deflation and continuous deflation. Plenty of exclusive patents and core technology ensure the uniqueness and innovation of All First products to remain invincible among the fierce competition in the market. Power overwhelming and splendid achievement. Quality is the basis survival of All First Corp. All First Corp has gained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and TS 16949 Quality Management System certificates issued by Germany TÜV and has more than 100 patents from Europe, North America, Australia, Japan, Taiwan and Mainland China. The R&D team has adopted CAE Pro-E software, Perform FMEA mode, to make sure the optimization of new product design. All First Corp uses ERP system as scientific and effective management, strictly controls every details, from incoming materials inspection, production till shipment, follow efficient management process to guarantee customers' delivery timely. All First Corp owns CNN etc. inspection instruments, advanced laboratory and test equipment able to complete independently products live test and safety regulation test, etc. As product quality assurance, in production line, all First Corp possess automatic equipment, high-efficiency fixture, self-developed automatic test system with barcode management, guarantee the accuracy and traceability of the test records to ensure the product's high quality. Hand in hand, together creates the brilliant future. All First Corp has been pursuing the business philosophy of honest, faithful, and trustful, and in accordance to the cultural theory of argumentative, to go into wise and real force, learning by doing, realizing by learning, creativity and change, forge ahead in unity bravely, be aggressive. The deep cohesive corporate culture leads all First Corp to have constant development and continuous innovation. Achieved great success today, has vision than bright future, has vitality than valuable, based on unprecedented growth. All First Corp endeavors and exerts herself to be the leader in the industry by advanced scientific technique, to realize the brilliant dream and to win glorious future. Be the top in China and global. All First Corp.